Hi all, how are you doing? I hope you're doing great wherever you are in the world. So I'm on Twitter reading this tweet by Jihan Wu, who's the creator, sorry, not the creator, the founder of Matrixport. He's also co-founder of Bitmain, so ASICs mining, Bitcoin mining. Um, so most people have never heard of Matrixport until today. But after that report that got released, everyone's heard of them because that was a thing that was a catalyst that seemed to dump the Bitcoin price and everything else. So if we quickly have a look at this post, so Matrixport's analysis operate independently, expressing their opinions without any influence or interference from management. They are employed for their superior analytical skills compared to mine and other management team. I have only briefly glanced at the title of the report, as have many of you. Bit of an assumption. Marcus, a talented analyst, authored Crypto Titans last year, detailing the price history of cryptocurrencies. His book vividly recounts events, sometimes more clearly than my own memories, even in instances where I incurred financial losses. At the outset of 2023, Matrixport was among the few who accurately predicted Bitcoin's low point and maintained an extremely bullish stance. As intended, this recent report was prepared for Matrixport clients. However, its widespread by the media was not planned by Matrixport and is beyond our control. Hmm. Well, I'm not sure about that. I mean, if the media has got your report, then really shouldn't you be suing them? Because surely your clients are people who pay for these reports, okay? So shouldn't you be suing them for releasing a report that was only meant to be shown to your clients? Anyway, as far as I know, Matrixport has been consistently advising our clients to be mindful of risks. Okay, they talk about that. Looking at Bitcoin's history and its future prospects, the current volatility and the potential approval uncertainty of a Bitcoin ETF in January 2024 are ultimately of no importance. In the long term, Bitcoin will always prevail. In my opinion, the approval of a spot ETF by SEC, which will attract fresh investment into Bitcoin, is inevitable. Bitcoin is poised to solidify its position as a store of value and a risk hedging asset akin to be better than gold. Okay, so he sort of comes back and says, yeah, Bitcoin's going to be great. It doesn't really matter what it's going to do in the short term future. And I completely agree with that. He basically says things are risky. Um, but it's funny how they do the same kind of thing as in the report, where they start off by saying how great we are at predicting things and how great we are, how talented we are, and that kind of thing, before they sort of get into the meat and potatoes of things. So, and the other thing is, who can reply? Nobody. So I thought that was interesting. But a lot of people have watched this now. Looked at this, 262,000 views. I should imagine there's quite a few angry people who are looking at what Matrixport are sort of saying now and probably in the future as well. Yeah. So it seems a little bit odd to me where they say that they have no control over anything or anything like that. They can certainly they should be suing the media who released this report. Okay, I think it was the Block or something. Could be wrong there, so don't quote me on that. But I think there's a company called a Block who reported it, from what I can gather. But again, don't quote me on that. So that is Matrixport founder Jihan Wu giving his two penneth